As more of us try to improve our health and well-being with the help of standing desks, many of us wonder if it's something that our children could benefit from. The answer is yes, kids can also benefit from standing desks when working on their school projects. Unfortunately, an adjustable desk for kids can be hard to find. Therefore, we compiled a list of the best standing desks for kids based on value, style, features, and reliability to help you out. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VIVO Height Adjustable Children's Desk. Second on our list of the best standing desks for kids is our best value pick, the VIVO Height Adjustable Desk for Kids. This one is perfect for young children and super affordable. This desk is suitable for both boys and girls as it's available in 3 colors, blue, pink and gray. However, we must point out that it's not the most stylish of desks, hence the price. The worktop is made from plastic which is easy to clean and water resistant. As a freebie, the desk comes with a matching desk chair that is also finished in the same style. The low price of the desk doesn't negatively impact its strength. It's actually quite solid as it has a thick metal frame with a weight capacity of 175 lbs. Furthermore, VIVO offers generous 3-year manufacturers to all buyers. The desk's height can be manually adjusted between 21 and 30 inches to enable the correct working position. VIVO states that this desk is suitable for ages 3 to 10. The freebie chair can also be adjusted manually. Additional features include a large pull-out drawer for storing crayons and other school items, as well as a 40-degree tilt function on the worktop. The main downside of the desk is the material quality, with the worktop and chair tops both being made from low-cost plastic. All in all, this VIVO Kids standing desk is an excellent choice for your child if you are on a limited budget. It has everything your child needs for sit-forward/stand usage. However, the desk isn't of the highest quality, hence the price. Number 2. ApexDesk Little Soleil DX Children's Height Adjustable Desk. Our premium pick out of the best standing desks for kids is the ApexDesk Little Soleil DX43 model. This adjustable desk for kids is made by a reputable brand, has a heavy-duty frame, and comes with a high-quality desk chair. First and foremost, this desk is extra spacious, measuring 43 inches long and 27 inches wide. It's one of the largest kids standing desks on the market. Like most other kids' desks, it's finished in 3 vibrant color options, blue, pink, and green. The worktop is highly durable as it's made from laminated wood that resists scratches and water. One of the desk's selling points is the frame strength, which is built from industrial-grade steel and supported by a crossbar. ApexDesk is a reputable brand, so you can expect a reliable product. Additionally, it comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Kids can adjust the desk's height with an easy-to-use hand crank. It can be lifted as high as 31 inches and as low as 21 inches. The main worktop can also be tilted by up to 60 degrees to allow a comfortable working position. To compensate for the higher price, ApexDesk made sure to add many additional desk features. Firstly, you get a high-quality, comfortable chair that perfectly complements the desk and can also be adjusted. Secondly, children have lots of storage with the desk's integrated pull-out drawer. Finally, the desk has rubber-banded edges to ensure your child isn't hurt in case of accidents that, unfortunately, sometimes happen with children. All things considered, the ApexDesk DX43 is a high-quality option that is built to last and is very spacious. Definitely, one worth considering. Number 3. FCD Wood Adjustable Height Kids Study Desk. Next up on our list of the best standing desks for kids is the one offering the most features, the FCD Wood Adjustable Height Kids Standing Desk. This model is very stylish, well-built, and has a long list of additional features. Let's start with the worktop and its features. Firstly, it's made from highly durable solid wood resistant to wear and water. It's made up of 2 pieces, and the total work area measures 43 by 23.2 inches, making it very spacious for kids. To improve comfortability, the main part of the desktop can be easily tilted by up to 60 degrees with the power of compressed gas. Additionally, the worktop is complemented by a beautiful bookshelf with extra hooks for belongings. Below the desktop, there are two storage drawers. One is a slim tray while the other one is much larger and looks similar to a bedside cupboard. Altogether, it has a lot of storage space for your kids' toys and educational tools. Apart from being spacious and stylish, the desk is also solidly built. It has a thick metal frame supported by a heavy-duty crossbar, making it very stable. Kids can adjust the height of the desk easily using a hand crank. It can be set to anywhere between 21 and 41 inches high, making it suitable for children aged 3 to 18. Furthermore, buyers have the option of a matching adjustable chair. It has an adjustable seat height, arm bars, and a cushioned seat. The only downside to this particular model is its price. It's quite a bit more expensive than our other recommendations. In summary, this FCD adjustable desk for kids has it all. If we had an unlimited budget and had to choose one desk from our list, it would be this one.